Hi everyone. This is another demo video, so I'm not going to be teaching anything in this video. I'm just going to be showing a project that I worked on previously. So this is an options pricing binomial tree generator. A while ago, I was reading about finance and Excel, and while I was reading, I came across this thing called an options pricing binomial tree that apparently is used quite a bit in finance. And so I decided to create one. So I went online and I found this file. It was, I believe, on a university website, and somebody had put it up available for download. And it didn't have any code. There was no VBA code. It was all just kind of hard-coded with formulas. You see here there's a field called steps. It had a fixed number of steps, and it had a bunch of formulas hard-coded into it. So I just looked at the formulas and I turned it into code, and I made it, automatic. I made it to automate the calculations, and you could enter a variable number of steps, and as you can see, you can change the parameters in light green, which was also how the original file was. And I think, when you altered these, then the formulas got altered, but I just am altering them in code. So anyway, just to give you a demo, you see I have all of my parameters in here, and then if I just click the button, then I get this thing here. This is the options tree. This is the options pricing binomial tree. And you see it opened in a new tab down here. It's got the name of the price. Well, so first of all, if you don't know, options are financial instruments they're related to stocks. They're contracts that you can buy and sell for certain stocks, and as the price of the stock moves up or down, the price of the options contract usually moves up and down, according to whatever the stock is doing. And so this, my understanding, if I'm remembering correctly, is to help with the pricing when somebody is buying and selling options. So anyway, so the ticker is a stock ticker, and then the spot price is the price that the stock is currently selling for on the stock market. I don't really remember what most of these are. The steps is, the number of steps here. This maturity is the number of days between each of these dates here. And these two, the U and D, is up and down. I don't remember exactly what it means, but it's a little bit up. It's a little bit up from the price or a little bit down from the price. So anyway, you see I have Google 15 steps, and if I was going to do this again, I think I would change the interface. I probably would make it a user form, or just have people enter the parameters up here. But like I said, it was a long time ago, and realistically, I'm probably not ever going to do any of that stuff with this file. I'm probably never going to do anything with it again, but who knows. But if I were going to, I would probably change the interface. So again, you can change all this stuff in light green. So say I wanted to make this 100 steps, and say the stock was Ford, and say the price was like $7. And then if I run it, again, I get another tab here, and it tells me how many steps and the stock price. And so you can see over here, now I have 100 of these, and that takes me out to the year 2038. And you see it goes all the way over like that. And, if I do another one, say I do C, whatever C is, might be city, I don't know. And then say I change the price to say like $25.78 for the spot price, and then I hit, and say I want to do 1,000 steps, and now I hit my button. It takes a couple seconds. It's still pretty fast though, I think. I have a bunch of other stuff open too on my computer. But goodness. Okay, so there we are, 1,000 steps. And so now we're all the way out to column ALN. And we're in the year 2171. So that's probably a little bit of overkill, but there you go. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of data. Okay, so anyway, that is that. And I think that's pretty much all there is to it. So, thanks for watching my demo. Bye.